The Nifeliz Pirates Ship Model Building Blocks Kit offers an engaging experience with 1,334 easy-to-install parts, ensuring you enjoy the process without getting bored. Featuring a captivating brown color scheme, this pirate ship model can be both a plaything and a display piece, adding a touch of adventure to your collection. The set includes a rotating rudder, adjustable anchors, a detailed captain's command room, and a movable guardrail, providing a realistic and interactive building experience. Designed to spark imagination, this construction set offers endless build and play fun, making it an ideal gift for teenagers who enjoy challenging projects. Nifeliz guarantees high quality with a 3-month, 101% money-back guarantee, and they offer free replacements for any missing parts, ensuring customer satisfaction. With meticulous packaging and thorough inspections, each piece is carefully selected to provide a seamless building experience, making this kit a reliable and enjoyable choice for enthusiasts.